Right then, this is the Church of St. Peter in Pimperne near Blanford, Dorset. There's the memorial of the 1418 World War, war to end all wars. And we know that wasn't true because they kept still fighting somewhere. There's still a war going somewhere. But it's a beautiful memorial, and the church itself looks lovely. Let's go this side. Really nice. Right, look at this pretty church. It's called St. Peter's Church in Pimperne, which is in Dorset, near Blanford, about close to Blanford, about a mile away. And I guess that's probably St. Peter himself up here, above the door. Cool. Right. It's got netting on the door to keep the birds out. I can hear them chirping in the background outside. Check the door, it is opened. My goodness, look at that that doorway. Isn't that cool? Absolutely beautiful. Right then. Might be a bit shaky, as I've got to put the light on it, because it's quite dark in here. My eyes can adjust to the darkness. I know it looks quite light in here, but it's not. It's quite dull. Anyway, let's go around. Oh my goodness. Got a lovely, and you find that I'm using a phone, so it's a bit grainy until it gets used to what I'm looking at. Oh look, see my feet. Cool. Right now, all these things are quite white, can't see them. Oh, that's not too bad. Take photographs of that. Read all that. $12.99. Let's go slow. So now here, down this side. It's not a very big church, but it's very nice. Got nice. What are these called? These things up here? I don't know, but they're nice. Cool. All the little kneeling cushions. Nice columns, that's it. And then the decoration on the columns. What's this? A big lump of wood. Right, here's the walk back a bit. Pulpit. That's pretty, isn't it? I'm in the altar area already, so it's not very big. As I say, right near St. Peter's Pimperne. Turn around now. Look back the other way. Well, that ceiling is gorgeous. This bit seems to be blocked off over here. I can see it's just storage. Pretty little lectern. Seem to have these wooden chairs in a lot of the old churches. No eagle on this one. But we got some lamb's feet on the bottom. This side's blocked off as well. Cool. Right, let's have a look up here. Top of the up by the pulpit. See what the vicar can see, or the priest, or whoever. Put a top on the walls. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning.